Alright, so this is the measurement we're going to be using. I'm going to be showing you how to draft a body pattern. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is to create our waistline. Alright, so have it in mind that with this pattern you'll be able to make blouse, blazers, kimono, you understand? So for skirt and trousers, alright, those are for advanced class. Alright, so we're going to take 1 inch, okay, 1 inch away from the base line of the paper. Alright, so we do this, okay, and alright, so we're just going to give it 1 inch, away from the baseline of the paper. Alright, then we'll draw a straight line. So ensure that the edge of the ruler is equal with the edge of the paper when drawing your straight line. Alright, so the next is the bust line. Okay, so now how to get the bust line? You minus the half length from the bust point. Okay, so we're gonna have 7.5. Alright, so now this is our bust line. So like I said, ensure that the edge of the ruler is equal with the edge of the paper to get a straight line. Then you draw all the way. Alright, so now the next thing is to draw our neck line. How you draw a neckline is you use the back waist length measurement, which is 15, then you add ½ inch. Okay, alright, so you draw it all the way. And you mark here. Alright, so remember your ½ inch, the ½ inch you took. Alright, so you can just mark it. Alright, so you can either use the edge of the ruler to draw a straight line, or you can still use your tape. Okay, you can still use your tape to ensure that it's actually on a straight line. So you need that straight line. Alright, so now we have our neckline, so you draw it all the way to the end of the paper. Alright, so we have our neckline, bust line, and the waistline. Alright, so we ensure that it's accurate and straight. Okay, so remember the ½ inch you took, so that's what we're going to use to get our neck curve. Alright, so that's the next thing to do to get our back neck curve. Now how you do it is you get the round neck measurement, then divide it by 6, so you're going to get 2.7. Okay, so you mark it 2.7. Alright, then you draw the curve. Ensure that you stand in the position that will enable you draw the curve perfectly, or you can use your curve rulers. That's your French curve. Alright, so we have our neck now. Then the next thing to do is to draw our shoulder and our shoulder slants. Alright, so to get the perfect slant, you use 3.5 away from your neck, then 1 inch downwards. Alright, so we take 3.5, then 1 inch downwards to get our shoulder slant. Alright, so you draw it. Perfect. Alright, so now that we have our slant, we can now take our shoulder measurement. Okay, so remember the 2.7, so and our measurement is 8, so you start from the 2.7. Alright, then you now mark the 8. So this becomes our shoulder, our exact shoulder measurement. Alright, so now it's to determine our back width, and to get our back width, you use the 9, which is the side waist length, or from the measurement table. Alright, so now that's our side waist length. Alright, so this determines our back width length. Okay, so now once we get our back width length, we can now get the exact back width measurement.